Hi, this is Mark. These are 10 very short conversations
At the grocery store. 10 very short conversations. I need apples. I want bananas. Where is the milk? It's in the dairy section. I like this bread. I like that bread. This is too heavy. I can carry it. Let's get some eggs. Good idea. Do we need rice? Yes, we do. I forgot my shopping list. I have it here. How much is this? It's $5. I'm in line. I'll wait with you. Let's go home. Yes, I'm hungry. More practice. Say the sentences yourself and speak out loud. Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe and please ring that bell to get all my videos and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes.
Thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.